Hi there, hi parents, hi kids. Hey, it's me, Peter. Let's just get ready for the story today. Back straight, big smile. And ta-da! We are going to learn a bit about Pete the cat, and this is a story, Scuba cat. Okay, have you ever wondered what is going on under the sea? Now we will have an adventure under the sea with Pete. Now, here we go. By James Dean. Right. Pete, the cat, is excited. He's going scuba diving. Pete puts on a mask and fins. He has a tank full of air. He hopes to see lots of fish. If you are lucky, you might see a seahorse, says Captain Joe. A seahorse? Says Pete. I can't wait. I never saw one before. Their ridges look like a horse's mane, says Captain Joe. Groovy, interesting, says Pete. Pete jumps into the water. Splash! Down, down, down he goes. Up, up, up go the bubbles. Pete looks for a seahorse. Then he sees a swordfish. Pete swims out of its way. Then Pete waves to a stingray. It has a long skinny tail. That is not a seahorse, thinks Pete. Then Pete looks high and low for the seahorse. Then he feels a tickle. Pete sees a school of fish. They look alike, except one. It pops up. It is a blowfish. It is not a seahorse. Where could one be? Pete wonders. Then he looks in the rocks. What is that? It's an octopus. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ooh, it has 8 legs. It's not a seahorse. Pete feels a tickle. What could it be? Then Pete turns. He sees a cave. Is there a seahorse inside? Oh, Pete sees a crab with claws. A seahorse does not have claws, Pete thinks. The cave is getting darker. Pete feels a tickle. Then he sees an eel. Pete swims past it. It is too long to be a seahorse. Oh no! It is too dark to see now. How will Pete get out? Oh, Pete sees a jellyfish. It glows in the dark. Pete is almost out of the cave. Then he sees an angelfish. It is very colorful. Now Pete is out of the cave. So why is it so dark? Pete is in the shadow. He's in the shadow of a whale. Yes. Pete wishes he could jump on a seahorse and ride away. So he hops on a sea turtle instead. It takes him to the boat. I did not see a seahorse, thinks Pete. Then he feels a tickle on his tail. A seahorse, cries Pete. What a surprise! You were with me all along, says Pete. What a cool adventure. The end. All right, interesting, right? And now it's time to say goodbye. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.